Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your home, and I hope you all are enjoying your online classes and you all solving the worksheets. So, children, today we are going to start our revision of expanded form. In last class, you have learned what is expanded form, what is place value. So, today we are going to revise our previous class. Okay, so let's start. We have a number 5565233. Okay, so first of all, how to read the number? Start from right hand side. Okay, so ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 55 lakh 65,233. So this is a group of 3, 2 and 2. Okay, so first क्या होगा, रूम किसका होगा, 3 डिजिट्स का, फिर 2 and फिर 2. ओके, तो ऐसे रीड करेंगे इसको. यू हैव टू राइट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, मींस एक्सपांशन करके लिखना है नंबर का. ओके, सो फर्स्ट राइट दिस 5 and count the digits behind the 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So place 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, children. Now on the second, again write this 5 and now count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Place 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Now again this one 6. Count the digit. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now again this 5 and 3 digits, means place 3 zeros behind the 5. Okay, so 5 के पीछे कितने जीरो लगाओगे, 3. 1 2 and 3. Now this 2 digits, 2 0. This one and 1 digit, 1 0. Now 3. So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay, now count to this number. Read the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 7,89,500. Okay, children. Write the place value. 7. Count the digit. 1 2 3 4 5. Place 5 0 behind the 7. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, plus 8. Count the digits. 1 2 3 4. 4 0. 1 2 3 4. Again 9. 3 digit, 3 0. 1 2 3. Now this 5 and 2 0. Now children, one thing to note, we have 2 zeros because 0 have no place value. 0 का कोई place value नहीं होता है, कोई घर नहीं होता है. So that write this 0 as it is. So plus 0 plus 0. This is the expanded form of this number, 7,89,500. Okay, children. Now come to this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 21 lakh, 55,123. Okay, children. Write the place value of this 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digit, 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now this one 1 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digit, 5 0. 2 3 4 5. Now again this 5. 1 2 3 4. 4 digit, 4 0. This 5. Here is 3 digit just after 5. Place 3 0. 1 2 and 3. Okay, children. Now this one 1 2 digit, 2 0. 2 1 0 and this one 3. 3 is alone because there is no extra number behind the 3. 3 के बाद में कोई नंबर नहीं है, so 3 alone आएगा on ones place. Okay, Now this one, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 23 lakh, 65,566. Okay children, write the place value. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay children, now 3. 5 digit, 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this 5. 1, 2, and this 60 and 6. Okay children, now children, we have fill in the blanks on the basis of expanded form. You have given some fill in the blanks on the basis of this expanded form. You have to find the number and fill in the blanks. Okay children, so first question is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 80 lakh. Okay, now here is 20,000, 6,300, fill in the blanks, 6. Okay, so this is the short form of this expanded form. Expanded form की short form given है, आपको fill in the blanks का ये number find करना. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so first we have this numbers expanded form. ये इस number की expanded form है. So first we have 80 lakh. Okay, now on the second we have this 1. इसमें 1 digit missing है because 1 lakh का expanded form नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So we have to write here 1 lakh. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So this is the first fill in the blanks. Now here is a number digit, tens missing. On the tens we have 9. कितना है? 9 tens. You have to write here 9 0. Okay children, so this is your fill in the blanks. First question solved. Now on the second you have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 lakh. You have 5 lakh. 5 lakh है आपके पास. Now in the second question, okay, this number is missing and this is missing. You have to fill in the blanks. So how to find this? First we have 5 lakh. This numbers expanded form. Now on the second, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We are missing 5,000. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So we have missing 50,000. Okay children. This one. Now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 0. 3 0 single because this is the place value of this 0. Now this is the 50. Okay, 5 times. So this is missing here. You can write here 5. Okay children, so this is your fill in the blanks. Now children, it's time to learn table. We have table of 14. Okay, you have to recite after me. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. 14 elevens are 154. 14 twelves are 168. So children, I hope you all understand these expanded form and fill in the blanks and this table. Okay, now you have to solve the worksheet. You have given this table in your worksheet. You have to write there and also write in your notebook 3 to 4 times and learn this table. Okay children, thank you so much.